Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document, it is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of age. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. Learn to live in this world with self-respect. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality and fraternity. We are Indians, firstly and lastly. Freedom of mind is the real freedom. A person whose mind is not free, though he may not be in chains, is a slave, not a free man. One whose mind is not free, though he may not be in prison, is a prisoner and not a free man. One whose mind is not free though alive, is no better than dead. Freedom of mind is the proof of one's existence. Justice has always evoked ideas of equality, of proportion of compensation. In short, justice is another name of liberty, equality, and fraternity. I want all people to be Indians first, Indian last, and nothing else but Indians. Caste is a state of mind. It is a disease of mind. The teachings of the Hindu religion are the root cause of this disease. We practice casteism and we observe untouchability because we are enjoined to do so by the Hindu religion. A bitter thing cannot be made sweet. The taste of anything can be changed, but poison cannot be changed into nectar. Democracy is not a form of government, but a form of social organization. Life should be great rather than long. My final words of advice to you are: educate, agitate and organize, have faith in yourself. With justice on our side, I do not see how we can lose our battle. The battle to me is a matter of joy. The battle is in the fullest sense spiritual. There is nothing material or social in it. For ours is a battle not for wealth or for power. It is battle for freedom. It is the battle of reclamation of human personality. Religion is for man and not man for religion. Freedom of mind is the proof of one's existence. I feel that the Constitution is workable, it is flexible, and it is strong enough to hold the country together both in peacetime and in wartime. Indeed, if I may say so, if things go wrong under the new Constitution, the reason will not be that we had a bad Constitution. What we will have to say is that man was vile. So long as you do not achieve social liberty, whatever freedom is provided by the law is of no avail to you. If you believe in living a respectable life, you believe in self-help, which is the best help. Caste is not just a division of labor, it is a division of laborers. History shows that where ethics and economics come in conflict, victory is always with economics. Democracy is not merely a form of government. It is primarily a mode of associated living, of conjoint communicated experience. It is essentially an attitude of respect and reverence towards our fellow men. The relationship between husband and wife should be one of closest friends. A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. My definition of democracy is a form and a method of government whereby revolutionary changes in the social life are brought about without bloodshed. That is the real test. It is perhaps the severest test. But when you are judging the quality of the material, you must put it to the severest test.